Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a very healthy and happy Eid al-Fitr break. Welcome back to the 27th of May, and we are officially in week 10 of distance learning. So well done, everyone, for making it this far. First thing I would just like to say is a massive thank you for everyone for the efforts to ensure that the KHDA distance learning evaluation visit went very well. Thank you to students first and foremostly, to teachers and to parents. And there's a ton of work that goes on behind the scenes. I can assure you behind all of these types of things. But just to get the evidence and all the paperwork in, it's pretty phenomenal for one day of a visit. But thank you very much for everyone. We will probably get a briefing paper, so to say how it went, and if we can share that, obviously we will. But thank you very much for everyone for the efforts there. Okay, CAS learning hours after Ramadan. So here you can see are the new hours. I'd love to have it start at 9 o'clock, but there's still lots of good learning to be done, which we have to ensure before you move up to the next grade. But there's a couple of things I would like you to take note of. One is, firstly, the lessons are 50 minutes long, and there is a 10-minute transition period there, okay? And also, we have extended your afternoon lunch or your break there to 50 minutes also. That's really for you to just try to step away from your computer, digest your food, just get yourself to just refresh before you obviously go back into period 5 there. Homeroom time is still 10 minutes. So I think this could go over a little bit as well. So if it goes to 7:55, I think that's fine. But I think that's good time for you to just get prepped. Retouch base with your friends, with your homeroom teacher. Just make sure you have all the messages so that you are ready for the day of learning ahead. Okay. And as I've written here, just be respectful, of your own time and obviously everybody else's time around you. And two other last little notices. One is Innoventures do have different challenges that they have put on. You can see from the email last week that was sent to parents and to students. One is the lockdown diaries, 2 is the reading challenge, and 3 is the art competition. So, excuse me, if you would like to get involved, please do. Those deadlines are soon approaching. Okay. And last one for me is just a reminder for the grade 12s. So they have their graduation rehearsal for the big event next week. And that is today, 2:30. Make sure you're online. You will get a little Zoom link from Miss Karen. So please make sure you're there. And we look forward to seeing you. That's it. Have a good 2 days. And then you've got the holiday, not the holiday, sorry. You've got the weekend right after. So take care. Have a fantastic couple of days, everyone. That's it. Stay safe.